Welcome back. Today, I've got myself a new toy.
Slowly kisses passing by the river.
We're back. I know I've been bleating on about it for a while, but I've eventually got myself a new toy for the unit. Yeah, that. So, been putting it off for so long, and I've eventually bit the bullet, made the plunge, and bought the roller. I've had a little tiny practice run with it. Exactly what I said. Allows to curve it both ways. Now I've had a little try and just see how well it fits. I'll be quite honest with you. I'm more than happy with the shape of that, the way that fits. So, what we're going to do, I know I said the next video I was going to do would have been putting the sill back on, but I'm still waiting on my inner arch repair panel. Still waiting on them coming, so for the minute that's actually on hold, but I now have the tool to be able to make this inner arch. So, what we're going to do is I'm going to start off, same as I always have, make a cardboard template because it's easier to work with cardboard for the piece that I need. I'm going to make it quite a bit oversized because I don't know how much this wheel is actually going to affect the metal. I don't know whether it's going to shrink it, stretch it, or what. I'm assuming it'll stretch it, but I'll sooner make it oversized, do it in one hit rather than do one again. It doesn't quite fit, you know, you've got to do it again and chew on. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a cardboard template, try and bang it out in one go. Touch wood, it'll all work and go to plan. So get on, we'll get this cardboard template made and see how we get on with it.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice.
So I've got it fitting roughly in place. I know it looks a bit rough up at this end here. You can't make an omelette without breaking a few eggs. I've got my line I need to go to. So what I'll do is basically all this piece here, the exception of along the top there, wants to be rolled because that there will want to get folded to give us the little lip on the top. But all this here wants to be rolled now to create the curve. So we'll test drive the new roller.
Oh, you miss my touching.
6.5 hours later.
It's taken a bit of doing. I've had to have a bit of a big bit of a learning curve on this one, but it's getting there slowly. Reasonably happy with it at the minute. All I need to do is just work on it and get a bit more curve like that, so it actually fits the arch properly. But I mean, it's shaped to the line of the arch. It just needs to have a bit more curve to it, I think. So if I can, as long as I can get this side here out over a bit with a bit more of that, we should be good to go. Happy days. And it took some time, but that's it, roughed out. Pretty happy with that. I'm going to offer it up now, draw out the bit that I actually need, and start and trim it up and see if I can get this patch to fit. After a lot of fettling and shaping, removing, refitting, removing, refitting, removing, refitting, and then I removed it and refitted again, I'm pretty happy with that. Little gap up the back here, but that'll pull in as I start to weld it. Yeah, happy with that. Got a nice dish in it, which is what you should have, I would imagine. And then obviously once I get the outer wing, I'll shape this to fit the outer wing. I might trim this off though, just so I don't catch it with my leg when I'm moving around, because I don't have the wings just yet. Yeah, happy with that. I think next I'm going to start and get the car ready, dress it up, get it ready to weld in. Got my bead roller now, so I'll just roll this bead further along here, probably to about there, I would imagine. So it should, touch wood, once it's done, it should look factory. There we have it. It's welded in. A little bit of issues up here, but I'll bit more dressing, a bit more work in that corner, I should be all right. But other than that, it's absolutely solid. So I've seam welded down here, plugged all these part of the original plug holes down here, and I've stitch welded up the back. So start to stitch welding that. So yeah, that's good. What I'm going to do with this up here, I think I'm going to box this piece in. So I haven't got this ridge, just box it in like that. And it'll also give a bit extra strength to the wheel well into the chassis. So hopefully it should be a bit stronger. And as you can see, penetration through and up the inside. That's it for this week. I think that's all we're going to get done. Had a pretty crappy, horrible day, I'll be honest. It hasn't gone quite according to plan. I had a few issues up in this corner, but I'll sharp dress them back and sort them out. Just want to say thanks to all the new subscribers again. I know I keep saying this, but you guys are the ones that are motivating us to get this thing done. So yeah, it's absolutely fantastic. Long may the good times roll, yeah. Don't forget to tune in next week. I've got something a little bit different in mind next week. Valentine's Day is coming up, so I know it'll be a bit late for you guys, but I can't put it out early because my wife watches the channel as well, so she'll see what she's getting for Valentine's Day effectively, but I'll be making it here in the workshop. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you next time.